Hey yo, today we are right here. I'll get a better shot in a minute. We're in Lexington Harbor. We are gonna be kayaking. This is like the second time. Don't pay attention to that. Second time I think this year taking it out. I didn't know what to fish for because there's no good videos online showing what's going on right now. So I don't know if I'm stupid for being here, but we're gonna give it a try. I got a shitload of minnows, thinking maybe some perch in here. So I guess let's go see how my theory is. Might just be wasting, no, we're not wasting time. We're fishing. And we're in. Alright, let's see. It's really weedy here. I did see some big carp. Alright, we are on the money. I gotta get down there. I don't know what's down there. Let's try a drop shot and a worm. And then, if not, I could take this setup off, put a minnow on. Alright, one of my favorite things, even if I'm not catching fish, with this fish finder, is being able to see your bait. So, you can see that's me. Alright, not because I'm impatient, but because I have a shitload of minnows. Oh, it's down there. We're gonna try a minnow on a drop shot. Alright, I need a boat. Bringing this much stuff on such a little kayak is not the most efficient. One thing I hate about drop shot on a spreader rig is this. In a kayak, you throw it in the back, and then it gets all tangled up, and you spend half your time. Shit. Oh. What do we have? Come on. Fuck. Don't get at my other line. I don't know what you are. Hopefully you guys can see us. What do we got? Silver? Look at that. What the fuck is it? Yeah, silver. Okay. And he chomped it. Oh, no he didn't. Look at that. It was worth the drive. It's a nice one. Hey, don't want to lose you. No. Oh, that was a close one. Get in there. Alright. I don't know how this is gonna work. This side. Yeah, it's gonna have to do. Whew, that was exciting. That was my first fish in the kayak all year. Okay. I gotta come up with a better solution. You know what would work a lot better is if I had a boat. But I don't, so this is what we got to deal with. Alright, so if you hook them right here, right behind that fin. That's supposed to give you the most action. Pretty sure my little one's dead. Let's throw it back right where we brought him in. Alright, this guy's dead. So I got one on a medium action, and I got another. This is a video I'm gonna make too, showing my ultralight setup. I don't know if it's ultra, it might be just light. Alright, it is 9 o'clock, and if I had to, I'd go home right now a happy man. I got my one fish. Also note, I'm pulling a live basket behind me. If you couldn't guess, that's gonna screw up your tracking. If anyone has any better ideas about how to keep your fish alive on a kayak, drop a comment below. See what all these people do to have boats like this. Especially up here. Like, we're in the thumb, and I don't know if it's a lot of retired people or what, but it's not like there's a lot of big high-paying jobs. There's definitely not a lot of big high-paying jobs up here. So, must be nice. Alright. There's fish in here. There's also lots of people in here. Oh, look at that. Not the only ones. A couple more. They don't look like they're fishing. I guess we'll try for a little bit more. And then we're gonna go garage sailing. Alright. I caught one fish. And it wasn't that big. But it was a good time. I probably could have caught more if I went out of the harbor, but I got scared because I had a lot of stuff, I was turning around a lot, and yeah, it wasn't working out. So saw some big carp in here too. So now we're just gonna go take a stroll. All right, maybe if I would have walked up here first, I could have seen this shelf that you can clearly see, probably even with the GoPro. And where I was fishing, not waste my time. As you learn, drove 100 miles, catch one fish, but this is a very beautiful sight. Which is good, because my wife has been looking for beaches. And we don't have that many around Metro Detroit, so I like all these small towns up here. Port St. Lexington. So I think while it's still nice out, bring her here, be romantic, all that good shit, and yeah. So sorry I didn't catch that many fish for you today, but next time. And like I've said before, it's not a waste as long as you learn something. So I learned there's a shelf here. It's very nice here. Romantic spot to take the wife. Today it wasn't that windy. Cop asked me how I did, and told him I got one silver. So where'd you go? Told him stayed in the harbor. And he looked at me like I was a. So it's actually not that windy out. It's just enough for those boats, but I think I could have handled it. This might be my ticket to justify getting a bigger kayak. If I get anything bigger, I gotta get a trailer. So I might as well get a boat. Another thing is, normally when you're chasing after silvers, that run in schools. So if you find one, you find a bunch. Anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure if you like these videos that you give it a thumbs up and you hit that like button so you don't miss another episode of Michigander Outdoors.